Hey guys, so welcome to the next episode of Documenting People with me. And today's guest is Aditi Srivastav. अगर आपने नहीं किया ऑलरेडी तो प्लीज़ डू कंसिडर सब्सक्राइबिंग लाइकिंग होपफुली आपको ये इसके ऑडियो लिंक्स भी मिल जाएंगे डिस्क्रिप्शन में तो आप अपने रेगुलर एक्टिविटीज़ करते टाइम उसको सुन सकते हैं क्योंकि वीडियो की कोई बात नहीं है इट्स अ जनरल कॉन्वर्सेशन सो you can listen to it like a podcast. So without further ado, let's get started with the conversation. So my first question would be, how would you introduce yourself to someone who doesn't know you? How would you want a stranger to know you?
How would I want a stranger to know me? Okay. So, now of course we're all working people. We're like adults, 25 above people. At least I am. So it always starts with where are you living? Where are you working? What's your job profile? It does. At least मतलब मैंने तो ऐसे ही देखा है. And like if we happen to know, like suppose I'm talking to person A and I happen to get to know that person through another person, friend of friend or something like that. So depend करता है if the conversation starts off like that. But generally, yeah, like so it starts with the name. I would be telling her, okay, I'm a quality analyst at so and so company, and then most often it goes back to what our hometowns are. So yeah, I think that would be the next information on the list. That okay, I'm from Lucknow, but I live in Pune, shit like that. And that ये बहुत difficult question पूछ लिया तुमने.
No, but I always find it very interesting because I've come to realize with that question put to myself, to me, the problem is that we kind of end up telling what we do, but our jobs is not us.
That is true, but it's like as a
So
introduction
I
के
just
time पे
wanted
तो
to,
यही होता है.
yeah. So this is a question that I am asking people to validate that I am not the only one. Others are doing it too. Others are equally delusional in their lives. Do not know.
Yeah, like I am Aditi, but I am a software tester. That is
Yeah,
me.
but then that is not your identity, right?
Because no,
Be
it's
intellectual, be
part.
philosophical, and think. कि how do you want people to know you?
Um, I think how do I want people to know me? First of all,
Yeah.
the question should begin with, do I want this person to know me?
Let's say
Firstly,
let's say that person is
yeah.
a very handsome looking intellectual person with high emotional quotient. You want
Oh my
that
God.
person to know
You
you.
added, since you've added the intellectual and the high emotional quotient part, I
Yeah,
am very
you
introducing
want
myself.
that person to know you.
All right. I I actually really like talking to people, and when I tell them my, like, I have not traveled much, but when I tell people my, like, I really like to relive those moments, and मैं काफी बोर करती हूँ लोगों को बता के कि मैं यहाँ गई थी और ये हुआ था ऐसा हुआ था. I think I get into that talkative वाला zone very fast.
That is good.
And yeah, but I feel like it tells a lot about me when I
Mm-hmm.
tell people exactly the way I like to explore places, or with the way I like to meet new people and just experience new things. And I think आजकल सब यही करते हैं, सब यही बातें करते हैं, but generally yeah, I think that starts off as a very nice way to let the person know what kind of a person you are. A lot of time I get to know about, like, when people talk about their travels, I get to know about them a lot as well, actually.
Right.
And yeah, so I think like I don't know what like मैं बता सकती हूँ, but I'm not sure what the person in front of me can perceive.
No, that is
Everybody
true.
has
That
had
is
their,
true.
yeah, but
Yeah.
I would like to come off as like someone who communicates well, firstly.
Hmm.
Okay, and okay, people watching this, if you don't feel that this is happening here, I'm sorry about that.
So the two people who are watching,
Communicate well at
Aditi communicates really well.
least.
Don't judge.
Yeah, don't judge. Yes,
Yeah.
please, no judgment, please. This is
Yeah.
a first thing.
Okay.
And
That's
yeah,
nice.
yeah, and like yeah, so matlab, I do listen. I love to listen to people when they start talking passionately about something that they're just into, and so that is one that I would make sure that they are like get to know this one point that okay, I listen to them like they're talking, and I do practice this whole thing of no judgment at all. So
Mm-hmm.
you can tell me anything. I don't care. I don't judge. I mean, I do care sometimes, not like, but no judgmental at all. Like,
Yeah.
no judging there. Yeah. उसके अलावा क्या है? I don't know. I think yeah. I do not think I've answered your question at all.
That is okay. It is a conversation. It is not a questionnaire. It is not a slam book. It is a conversation, and it's fine. So, but we know kind of we got an introduction to you. अब जैसे मेरा second सवाल जो है, अब मैं हम उससे शुरू करते हैं थोड़ा confusing हो जाता है because my second question takes you back to when you were born. So
That
we
when
start
I
from the very starting of your story. So हम डायरेक्ट उससे स्टार्ट करते हैं तो लोगों को थोड़ा सा तो होना चाहिए ना इंट्रोडक्शन इमेज कि हम क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. So that's why.
yeah.
So let's start with when it all started, when you came into the world. तो तुम कहाँ पैदा हुई? But
So this is a very good day to ask that because my mummy papa का anniversary है आज.
oh,
And
nice.
oh, right, yeah, because I was just thinking about okay, wait, let's starting from the start. So I was like, my parents met and they got married. So they got married today, 27 years ago.
That is so nice.
And yeah, and then I was born. I'm a Bihari, and I was born in Patna, in a hospital named Kurji apparently, और मुझे जितना डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया है उस हॉस्पिटल के बालकनी से गंगा नदी दिखती थी. So it was a yeah, it was a very serene view actually. Like it was ऐसा balcony से देखो, there would be like a little road and वहां से you can see गंगा नदी. अब now I don't know what facing it was, so either you can see a sunset or you can see a sunrise, but I'm sure both would have been mesmerizing.
Yeah.
And yeah, and I think I spent my first 13 years there in Patna. That's pretty good. I mean, my entire, like not entire family, but a big chunk, a major
Mm-hmm.
chunk of my family members were there, like either in Patna or nearby Patna. So it was sort of the center of my existence, obviously, because and we
Yeah.
weren't traveling much. We weren't actually traveling much. So, matlab, travel would be me going from my house to my nani ka ghar, which
Mm-hmm.
was around, it was like a 2 hour drive. And yeah, I think मेरी सबसे ज़्यादा memories of fun and thrill and just joy, pure joy, are from my nani ka ghar, which is in Samastipur. So
Mm-hmm.
my cousins would be there, my mamas would be there, and I don't know, like it's maybe the innocence of childhood, but बचपन में ऐसा लगता है कि सब कितना अच्छा है, मैं क्या करूँ,
Yeah.
इतना अच्छा कैसे चल रहा है सब. मतलब
That is
कितना
nice.
प्यार है यहाँ पे.
So
मतलब I would
it
like
was
my
a happy
mom.
childhood.
अरे a lot. My I have like my three mamas were there, and my nana nani was there, and my cousins would be there. Like on like every time Holi pe or Diwali pe they would be there, and it was a jam packed scenario, but so much fun. Oh my god!
So you
And
grew up
nani.
in a joint family.
No, I didn't. No. I lived with my mom, dad, and my brother in Patna.
Okay.
It was a nuclear family only, but we got like we were visiting the relatives quite often.
And your grandparents like दादा दादी भी उधर ही होते थे आसपास में मतलब पटना में.
But I've never seen my dadaji.
Okay.
Neither has my mom. He unfortunately passed away before my parents got married itself.
Mm-hmm.
Dadi used to live with us, and like live with us in the house, and Nana Nani ka ghar alag tha. So yeah, that was fun though. And मतलब ऐसा I don't know if this was I don't know if it is relevant, like if anybody else has gone through this, but आप अपने grandparents के घर जाओ तो ऐसे लगता है ना कि हर कॉर्नर में कोई खजाना छुपा हुआ है. I mean, you open a drawer and you will find something completely antique. मतलब पता ही नहीं है कि इसका क्या यूज हो सकता है possibly. And you know, like you don't know. ऐसा आपने वो खोला and you'll find some very antique सा safety pin, या फिर you'll find some very weird सा box, and if you open it तो उसमें होगा किसी का black and white photo खूब पुराना, and उसमें you'll find a nickel or something, some coin that you've never seen in your life, and then there'll be like some junk, absolute junk. But the thing is, it has been there and it has been kept very safely in that nook for
Yeah.
years.
And
I don't know
also,
if
and also
yeah.
you can't remove it because the moment you remove it, they
You
know
can't.
कि वो वहाँ था.
No, you can't.
वो
No,
क्यों
I mean,
हटाया तुमने? Yeah.
I swear, there was this one summer, and हम सब समस्तीपुर में थे. मेरे cousins were all there. They were in this packed house, and I found three ऐसा crystal का इतना इतना बड़ा heart all over the house. 3. एंड वो पता नहीं कहाँ से आ रहे थे और मुझे इतनी स्टूपिड जगहों पे मिल रहे थे, पता है. एक तो मुझे आंगन में मिला था वो. वी हैड दिस होल इन द सेंटर ऑफ द हाउस देयर वाज अ आंगन विद द होल हैंड पंप सिचुएशन गोइंग ऑन, और एक वो तुलसी प्लांट के लिए जो अलग से नहीं बनाते, एक ऐसा 4 वॉल छोटा सा करके उसके अंदर तुलसी जी का प्लांट होता है. सो and I found it there at the foot of Tulsi ji ka plant. I found a little crystal heart. And then I went on to find 2 more. और फिर मैं और मेरे कजन, मतलब 2 ही कजन थे उस टाइम, सिर्फ हम 3 बच्चे थे. नाउ द हाउस इज लाइक फिल्ड विद पीपल, एवरीबॉडी हैड किड्स, गॉट मैरिड एंड शिट. तो या बट उस जनरेशन में सिर्फ 3 ही बच्चे हुआ करते थे. एंड वी फाउंड एग्जैक्ट 3 हार्ट्स एंड लाइक हमने आपस में बांट लिया था. ठीक है. There was a sad attempt to steal someone's. I don't remember who was still trying to steal whose heart. Wow, that sounds very poetic. But but yeah, it was a happy childhood, like very memorable. और हम गांव पे भी जाते थे. It was like half an hour drive from समस्तीपुर to the village मेरी मम्मा का. एंड वहां पे भी वो टिपिकल वाले घर नहीं होते जैसे लाइक द वंस दे वुड यू वुड सी इन मूवीज लाइक अर्लियर. बीच में आंगन है एंड देयर आर रूम्स ऑल अराउंड इट. वैसा था और ऐसा लगता था कि मैं महल में आ गई हूँ. लेजिट, एकदम लेजिट महल है ये पिलर कितना बड़ा है, ये आंगन कितना खत्म नहीं हो रहा है, ये बाथरूम बाहर.
And you're smaller, so everything looks bigger also.
हाँ. वो और वो बाथरूम था वो बाहर था, घर पे नहीं बनाते थे. दे वुड बी लाइक अ होल बैकयार्ड एंड उसके सेंटर में जाके ये बाथरूम कितनी दूर है और इतना डरावना क्यों हो जाता है सब कुछ रात में. बट व्हाट, लाइक आई एक्चुअली विजिटेड दैट प्लेस अगेन नॉट लॉन्ग अगो, अभी मार्च में. दैट वाज लाइक 2-3 months ago. So and I went there because कुछ था relative something पूजा थी. तो हम गए थे and it just suddenly felt like that house had shrunk. ऐसा लगा कि ये क्या है, ये तो दो कदम चले खत्म हो गया.
It's not big enough now.
No, it's not. It looks like a very normal house, and I was low key like, "Arey, this is sad." But that's okay. That's life, I suppose.
That is so cool. So, what's your first memory, like first ever memory that you can remember?
Oh, I'll tell you what. There's a picture of it as well. But like I saw that picture and I had like a very weird flashback. Shit, I remember this happening. So I must have been like 3-4 months ago, and I'm not kidding. Okay, like people would say that what rubbish. Okay, no one remembers anything before, like from that time at least. But I must have been 3-4 months old. Okay, and like 3-4 months. And I was at my nanny's place only because my mom spent almost the entire first year of my life at my nanny's place because she was lazy. And my nanny was, no, I'm kidding. I was my mom's first child. I'm the firstborn. So she had very less experience, and my dadi was not that well to, help my mom to take care, like with taking my care of me. So my nanny was an expert though, and of course at my nanny's house there was an army of people to be taking care of a newborn. So yeah, so I was there. I spent the first year of my life at my nanny's place almost. And so my mama, I remember him like putting my little lass in his hand. Okay. And he has me like that, like a trophy. He's
Oh,
legit like this is my mama. Imagine me at my mama's place and he's like that. And we are a little lass person and fitting in his hand, okay? And I'm like this. And I used to be for some reason terrified of him. For some reason. I've been told.
yeah.
I've been
If
told.
someone
Yeah.
does that to a child will be terrified.
Ah, so he's like,
The new person.
I'm some Sasta Gully Cricket ka World Cup or something. Okay, here's Mama, here's where I don't know where my hand is going. This is weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the Sasta Gully Cricket Samastipur League World Cup. Okay, and I am like crying my eyes out, like, because like, get me out of this situation ASAP. ठीक है, आई एम क्राइंग माय आईज लाइक आज मैं जान दे ही दूंगी, ये जो भी चढ़ाया ना, आई विल जंप आउट ऑफ दिस एंड आई विल डाई. ठीक है. एंड देन आई रिमेम्बर, आई वेरी क्लियरली रिमेम्बर, आई वाज like I remember कि my nanny was standing in front, okay, and I remember crying out even more loudly because I wanted her to pick me up, like please take me from this person. I don't want to be with this person anymore. एंड मुझे लेजिट याद है कि मैं इतना रोई थी और मैं ऐसे हाथ ऐसे करके रो रही थी. एंड देन फाइनली एंड माय नानी वाज लाइक अरे नहीं नहीं ऐसे मत करो, ऐसे नहीं, कुछ समथिंग लाइक something, and someone was there with the camera and they have clicked this picture and that picture is still there. That picture is still there. You can look at that picture and see the agony on my face. Okay, and I legit remember this. It must have been really
definitely not a pleasant memory for a child, but it's definitely a fair funny memory.
And the best part is that it is captured. Okay, it is captured, and but I remember feeling super good after my nanny took me. So I think the delay part was involved because they were busy taking a picture of me. But
they were like, "Ab kar hi dete hain. Let's get this done with."
I'm glad they did though. I'm glad they did. But I swear I remember that. I mean, it must have been some really traumatic experience to actually remember that. But मुझे याद है, कोई मेरी बात मानता है, but मुझे याद है.
I believe you. होता है यार, याद पता नहीं. I don't know. My earliest memory is not. I don't remember anything before the age of 5.
सही में?
Yeah. हमने नानी की इतनी बात करी, नानी का नाम तो बताओ.
नानी का नाम था आशा सिन्हा.
Nice.
Yeah, आशा सिन्हा.
और मम्मी पापा का?
मम्मा का नाम is Mama's name is Shobna Sinha, and my father's name is Himanshu Ranjan Prasad. And I'm weirdly Aditi Srivastava on all my social accounts.
That is okay. On your social accounts, you're officially not Aditi Srivastava.
No, I'm officially Aditi. That's it.
What do your parents do? Like, used
My
to
mom
then?
is then even they're doing the same thing now also. So that didn't sound good. But okay, my mom is a homemaker and my father, he works in NABARD. NABARD is short for National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. I learned that
Only
very young.
People working in NABARD and their kids know this.
And yeah, that's sad actually. Like, and why I have like I ratified the full form like at a very young age. Probably nursery में आता था मुझे NABARD का full form. क्योंकि people were like NABARD क्या है? और मैं बहुत desperately prove करना चाहती थी कि it is a legitimate thing. मेरे पापा ऑफिस जाते हैं.
What are these people who think that you are saying कि your papa office नहीं जाते? They have one of the most amazing campuses, like residentially also and even in office.
You've been here. Yeah, you've been here, no? नहीं मतलब ऐसा it is actually a fact that a lot of public does not know about NABARD, sadly, because it is in the bank which deals with people. जैसे मतलब हमारा for example let's say ICICI हुआ, it's not a bank that people are trying like, अरे आज बैंक जाना है, कौन सा बैंक का कार्ड है आपका, NABARD. ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं है. But yeah, so and we also used to have like वो yearly calendars नहीं होता, तो every year NABARD का एक calendar would be there and I would be very excited to flip through it. Now I'm not. I miss that excitement. But उस पे भी ऐसा लिखा होता है NABARD का full form, तो I got like अच्छा ठीक है. I mean NABARD has been a very big part of my life, to be honest, because I've always lived in a staff residential campus. यहाँ पे लखनऊ में भी, and even when we were living in Patna, we had NABARD का society and there were like 4-5 buildings, and my friends are from there, my mom's friends are from there. Uh, I've had all my birthday parties, like legit all my playing, almost all my childhood memories, which are not with my family, they are with NABARD people. So it is, yeah. I mean, it's weird, but
It's
ऐसा
a
हो
stronger
जाता है.
community. No, it's a stronger sense of
Of course,
community that you
yeah.
have.
Of course, and there is also this thing that people from all different states. So this is a transferable job. My father can get transferred to any state, any capital city in India, and the vice versa, right? Like people from different states are getting transferred to like from our city, and so yeah. So basically, what has happened that I have spent my childhood with people from all states. Almost like I've shared a meal, I've been to their birthday parties, I've seen how their houses are. So it has been actually a very fun ride. Like a few years ago, I used to have a neighbor. They were from Tamil Nadu, and I think that is where my obsession with idli started. Because half the time I would be at her place eating her food. Yeah, she must be thinking कि बिहारी लोग खाना नहीं बनाते थे अपने घर पे, अपने बच्चों को देते नहीं. प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Yeah.
But I was a shameless burden. Like, auntie, please, while you're here, before you get transferred, feed me as many idlis as you can. So, and then a very good friend of mine, they are Maharashtrians. So his mom, sorry, she used to make these mouth-watering vada pav, and those has to be the first vada pav that I've had ever in my life. Of course, that I was not like living in Maharashtra
Yeah.
myself. Who knew that I would be like eating vada pav a lot because so not anymore. Like I can afford more than a vada pav now, but I'm in college.
That is true.
Yeah, so it's been a very fun life that
You
when my
were
father
in
joined.
Patna for the first 13 years,
13 years,
then
fifth standard,
fifth
fifth
standard.
standard.
Then you got
Yeah.
transferred to Lucknow, but you were in Lucknow in sixth standard. That is for sure.
Yes, fifth standard अपना complete करके आई थी यहाँ पे.
Yeah, you came after summer vacations.
मुझे याद
How
है.
was that? Of course.
Wow, I don't remember talking to you also 2 साल तक. How is that transition, you say? Okay. So I had changed 2 schools in Patna. The first one was a co-ed school, and I was there until 4th standard. And 5th standard में मेरे पापा को भूत चढ़ा कि नहीं अब इसका school change करेंगे. Now and then he put me. It is actually one of the best. Like it is the best school in Patna. ठीक है, काफी पुराना है. So I was in St. Joseph's Convent Inter College, which is a girls' school, but it's a very prestigious school. Like people line up admission के लिए. नेक्स्ट ईयर उनका होता नहीं है जल्दी. ठीक है, और मेरा हो गया. पता नहीं क्या किया था मैंने, पता नहीं क्या. ठीक है, और इतना दुखी मैं सक्सेस से आज तक नहीं हुई थी लाइफ में जितना मैं उस दिन हुई थी. मैंने अपने आप को कभी इतना नहीं कोसा है कि why did you write that essay? Could you just kept it in your head? No, but no, apparently I was very sad because I really loved the school that I was in, and but I agree it was high time, and पता नहीं शायद मेरे पापा ने he had foresee in the future that हमारा transfer वगैरह होने वाला है anyway. So he put me in that school. It was a girls' school. I was very traumatized for 1 year because I genuinely hated it here. There was बहुत ही बुरा. I met a couple of very good friends, but no, not really. Like I don't actually look back to that school. I'm like, oh, fond memories. Like no, all I can remember is how trashy the washrooms were and how, oh my god. यार, और गर्ल्स स्कूल का वॉशरूम में क्या क्या स्क्रिबल करते हैं वो लोग. अब कभी कभी गलती से सीनियर साइड के वॉशरूम में चले जाओ तो एकदम आपको मतलब सेक्स एजुकेशन ही मिल जाए, मतलब with graphics and 2D.
Graphics. With graphics. Yeah, I don't know why boys washrooms are like they say कि boys washroom तो girls के washroom बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. I'm like no, ऐसा नहीं है.
वो वाले स्कूल में तो मतलब स्पेसिफिकली लड़कियां थोड़ी ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड थी शायद, होंगी पता नहीं. ठीक है, तो उन्होंने अपना सारा फ्रस्ट्रेशन वो वॉशरूम की दीवारों पे ही लगाया था. तो हाँ, तो और आई वेरी क्लियरली रिमेम्बर वो पास में एक बॉयज स्कूल था विच वाज लाइक द बेस्ट. अगर आप बॉयज स्कूल में जाके की कैटेगरी में देखो तो ठीक है, और मेरे को नाम नहीं याद आ रहा, बट जो भी है उनका बस हमारे बस के बगल से जाता था. एंड मतलब फ्रस्ट्रेशन लेवल देखो, मतलब हार्मोन्स का जो रेजिंग हार्मोन्स कहते हैं ना, मतलब इमेजिन the girls would start like doing their hair and pulling off their skirts and shit right before we would pass through that right before we would pass
through shit. Oh,
हाँ, fun. And then for a kid who is in 5th standard, this all is like, ये क्या हो रहा है, दीदी क्या कर रही है, पता नहीं, मैं बहुत ही नाइव थी यार. but ठीक है, I mean I understand, it's okay. I mean even I was dating by the time I was in 10th, so it's okay. It was fun, just fun memories. So the transition was wee bit hard, and matlab I had always lived in that city and it was a nice house that I was living in. So, but the transition from the school was not hard because I already hated that place. Could I hate this place more?
Okay.
First question. Will I like this place or not was not. Can I hate that place more than the one that I'm already in? So that was the question. So it was quite easy for me to I don't want to be in this school anyway. Let me just move. And मेरे पापा ने काफी अच्छा फ्यूचर देखा हुआ था because मतलब I think it's like a कुछ तो है, maybe a chain, or whether I don't know if other convent schools are in contact with other convent schools. But all when I came for the admission in St. Mary's, all the principal asked me, I forgot principal ma'am का name, but all she asked me कि अभी वहाँ की current principal sister का नाम क्या है, and I told her, and she okay, great, cool, welcome aboard.
But you moved from a not so pleasant school to a school which you took as a challenge कि can I hate this even more? So then what happened? Did you hate it? Did you not hate it? Was it
I loved it. I think those years were the best year of my life. Honestly, like everything, I'm very fond of every memory that I have from that school. Every memory that I have from that school. So और आप देखो ना, ऐसा जो 6th standard से 10th standard वाला period होता है, that is when you actually start experiencing things or growing up and learning people, actually developing bonds with people, go a little bit deeper. So I think I did that. I had that with you. So yeah, I think I love that school through and through. मतलब first year में थोड़ा it was difficult, of course. वो जब तक आप न्यू लड़की, मतलब आपको पहले साल में तो कोई नाम से जानता ही नहीं है. एवरीबॉडी लाइक वो नई लड़की ऐसा करके जब तक कोई नया और एक और बच्चा ना आ जाए ना, न्यू स्टूडेंट. एंड पता नहीं, बिफोर दैट जब मैं स्कूल जाती थी ना, आई हैड दिस वेरी वियर्ड एंजाइटी sort of thing, and I used to feel that I'm not good at studies and something like that. But suddenly 6th standard में, and I don't know whether it was a change of environment or whether it was the people that I was around, I actually realized that how you're supposed to study, and I think sixth standard was the first time in a really long time that I felt that I'm not dumb, or I'm smart. I can
Yeah.
study. I know my things. I know how to understand things. I can do it on my own. So मतलब काफी वो था, what to say, liberating सा feeling था. It was, that whole time was like a lot of personal growth and a lot of weird haircuts, very weird haircuts.
And the phase of wearing one earring.
One earring, yes, I still have that earring. पता नहीं क्या था, but I am just, sometimes I think about all of that and I don't know if I'm proud of myself or I'm bewildered or what, but I am somewhat low key proud. Like, dude, तुम्हारा, you wanted to wear one earring, you did. You did
Yes.
what you wanted to do.
Yes. Yes.
I think, yeah. So I am very proud. Like, like, you remember that
As you should
SpongeBob
be.
earring?
And
Yeah.
the yellow
Why
SpongeBob
not? Why
earring
not? Yeah.
wearing it in 1 year. You would get
Exactly.
it before
So,
it was a trend. Now it is a trend. You find one wala earring.
but जो भी है, I mean, I had got a pair only, and it was a very cute SpongeBob, a very cute earring,
Yeah.
yaar. My God, very cute. And I lost one of them, unfortunately. और उसके बाद I was in love with them so much कि मैं पहनूंगी, फिर भी पहनूंगी मैं. And I remember this one time, we हम किसी वाटर पार्क में गए थे और वापस आते टाइम मैं बस में चढ़ रही थी. So there was a teacher sitting on the front seat and she said, she very, they're very sweet of her. उनको लगा कि मेरा एक इयरिंग गिर गया है.
हो गया.
हाँ, मैंने बोल देना चाहिए था. हाँ, ओके, शिट, ओ नो, ऐसा करना चाहिए. नहीं, I went on to explain to her that why I'm wearing one earring.
That is
Very bad idea.
useful
Very bad
information.
idea. Very bad idea. Because she then went on to shout at me that I don't understand these.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, that I don't understand this generation who you've come to the school for passion or what. But then what is wrong with if like two earrings were there? Okay, one earring is there, you're angry about it. I just don't. But anyway, I got scolded really
She
nice
was
after a
just
very
pissed
nice.
off at the fact कि बच्चे सोच क्यों रहे हैं इस बारे में.
Ha. She's like, what are you doing? What are you thinking? Doing something like this?
Yeah.
I was, as a kid, I was a weirdly honest kid, like weirdly honest, just मतलब annoying honest sort of. ठीक है, and जहाँ पे
You're
जरूरत
still
भी नहीं.
weirdly honest, to be fair.
I don't know, maybe.
lot of places जरूरत नहीं होती है, but you are very honest. Which I love.
मतलब मुझे याद
Which
है,
I love. It's true.
मुझे याद है
What?
फिफ्थ स्टैंडर्ड में कुछ तो हुआ था एंड माय टीचर सॉ मी टॉकिंग एंड शी वाज जस्ट अबाउट टू लीव द क्लास. उसका क्लास था फिर से 2-3 पीरियड बाद. तो कहती है, यू कम विद योर डायरी टू मी देन, ऐसा करके. आई एक्चुअली वेंट विद माय डायरी टू हर देन
कि बुलाया
एंड
है,
शी डिड
क्या
नॉट
पता कुछ
शी
काम
डिड
हो.
नॉट शी डिड नॉट
Remember?
रिमेंबर मी
मैं क्या करूं, मैं क्या लिखूं.
एंड आई एम लाइक, और उसका मूड शायद खराब ठीक था उस टाइम पे. ठीक है, मैंने जाके उसको याद दिला दिया कि मैडम आपका मूड खराब था, आपने मुझे डांटा था, मैं आपके क्लास में बात कर रही थी, ये लो. मेरे को ना आज तक समझ नहीं आया कि मैं करा क्यों ऐसा, क्यों करा है. जब
And then she wrote the complaint. She wrote the
हाँ,
remark
और
on
क्या,
the
no, she scolded me again. पहली बात this time,
honesty
उस
के
time
point से यार, honesty की वजह से नहीं लिखना
और
चाहिए एटलीस्ट कि बच्चा
मैं
बुलाया.
कहती हूँ, पूरी क्लास में वेट कर रही हूँ कि अब बुलाएगी, बुला ही नहीं रही है. एंड में मैं ही चली गई डायरी लेके. अभी पिछली बार वाले पीरियड में तो मैं अपनी सीट पे थी, बस उसने डांटा था. इस बार तो उसकी क्लास जानबूझ के मैं चल के गई हूँ क्लास के सामने, टीचर के डेस्क के बिल्कुल बगल में, और उन्हें बैल मुझे मार वाली हरकत. She scolded me so bad दूसरी बार. मेरे को समझ नहीं आया, मतलब but I felt very bad about that thing कि तो मैं honest और तू चुड़ैल. I I still remember her name also. But she must have been like, पता नहीं. I mean, if I had been in a place, so हो सकता है that adults have a lot of problem and then sometimes go off and
Yeah.
maybe it was one of those moments and she regretted it later. ऐसा मैंने अपने आप को बाद में सिखाया था. But
दिल
but
बहलाने को गाली भी ख्याल अच्छा है.
सही बात है. So, but जो भी I mean, I feel that if I had been a teacher and in her place, I would have liked to react differently to that whole thing. But I also see how annoying I could have been.
बच्चा
So
खुद आया है
that
चल के कि भाई आपको
और
डांटना
क्या.
था, आप भूल गई हैं, डांट लीजिए.
Shit.
हाँ.
हाँ. I had a lot of quirks back then. Like I would grow out my hair long all year. और लोग गर्मी में अपने बाल कटवाते हैं, बट मैं विंटर्स में अपने बाल कटवाती थी बिकॉज न्यू ईयर न्यू मी. और विंटर वेकेशन के बाद आई डिस्टिंक्टली रिमेम्बर कि मैं आई वाज अ लिटिल कॉन्शियस. विंटर वेकेशन के बाद जा रही हूँ, मैंने ना एक दिन पहले ही बाल कटाए थे, तो दे वर ऑल जस्ट लाइक स्टैंडिंग वेरी वियर्डली. मैं क्लास में बैठे रही और तू यू लिटरली एट द बैक ऑफ द क्लास बहुत कॉर्नर में, एंड तू इतनी तेज हंसी थी. पहले ये क्रिसमस ट्री क्यों बन के आई है.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
You called me a Christmas tree.
I do not remember this, but I'm really sorry.
No, I'll tell you what, I was looking like one also. I would have called myself a Christmas tree. मेरे पास इतना दिमाग ही नहीं था कि मेरे को याद है कि wait, you look like a Christmas tree, but you had it. Like I had got layers cut and only this much hair, okay, this long hair and layers. So one layer was like this, another layer like this, another like this. Christmas tree. बस इसके थोड़े से ऑर्नामेंट चिपका दो. कोई तो यार एक वो ही मेमोरी याद है मुझे सबसे ज्यादा मेरे हेयर कट को लेके. बहुत सही था वो तो. एंड दैट वेंट ऑन. आई थिंक आई डिड इट ऑलमोस्ट एवरी ईयर आई डिड इट. फिर 11 12 में मेरे को शौक चढ़ गया बाल बड़े करने का, एंड देन इट हैज बीन अ वेरी
Yeah.
बैड लाइफ.
Then after 10th, I think you moved to DPS.
हाँ, weird story, very weird story.
Why did you move actually?
Okay, so 10th के एग्जाम से पहले ही my father had this in mind. So there's Sophia College in Mumbai, and it is one of most prestigious universities that you can go to, at least in Mumbai. नहीं ऐसे भी I think it is a very like
Yeah, it's very good. And I don't know why, but the students from there, they don't pronounce it as Sophia's, they pronounce it as Sophia's.
Sophia. Yeah, I know that.
I don't know why. I just
But,
don't get the logic.
Yeah, I never got it, and since I never went there, so I'm like Sophia, and the entire college campus is just mind blowing. I'm sure you've seen it because वहाँ पे बहुत सारी shooting होती है. I see it in almost every other Bollywood movie that I watch. Every other.
Either it's Sophia's or it's Xavier's. One of those two.
Xavier तो रहता ही है. Xavier is also very famous, and Sophia is also very famous. They have this grand staircase thingy happening, which is used in a lot of movies. So I've seen, like I can literally point it out to you. Like हम कभी साथ में movie देखे, ये Sophia ऐसे करके. So anyway, my father wanted me to go there. He had this, and I'm like, that was a very good thought on his part. And उन्होंने बोला कि 90% लाना पड़ेगा. So I got that. I got 93% 10th में. And
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. In 10th में हाँ.
हाँ. And मुंबई में क्या होता है? उनका college admission का process थोड़ा different है. उनका एग्जाम का रिजल्ट ही थोड़ा लेट आता है, एंड देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर कॉलेजेस, एंड फाइनली यू विल गेट दैट आपको कट ऑफ्स आएंगे. ठीक है, फिर आपको इंटरव्यू
के लिए Sophia's for 11th 12th.
यस. वहाँ पे जूनियर कॉलेज का कल्चर है. तो वहाँ पे पीपल लाइक 11th 12th में दे गो टू कॉलेज. So he wanted me to go attend do my 11th 12th from Sophia, and I did get 90%. I got I easily passed the first cutoff very nicely, and I went for the interview. Or फिर I was there in Mumbai for about a month and a half क्योंकि the whole process takes a lot of time. आपको बहुत सारा तामझाम था. There was a lot of paperwork to be done for applications and all. तो वो सब हुआ. I got the interview and finally we came back home, Lucknow, 2 महीने के बाद. And I also got the acceptance letter on my mail. Like I got accepted into Sophia. Okay. And we had seen like हमने सारा hostel वगैरह भी book कर दिया था. I was actually going to live in front of the Marine Drive.
Yeah, and then
tickets booked, bags packed. मम्मी ने lunch टिफिन सब पैक कर दिया. तो हम मतलब ट्रेन से जाने वाले थे. And तो हम जा रहे थे. तो मम्मी ने वो ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करके ऐसे नहीं था कि सारा आप रोटी सब्जी पैक करके लेके जाते हो छोटे छोटे बॉक्स में. बहुत मजा आता है. It's better than flight. मतलब of course अगर आप टाइम ना हो तो टाइम दिए थे, ट्रेन में मस्त
experience. Yeah.
और it's fun. तो मतलब जा रहे थे और फिर नीचे कैब भी आ गई थी. And it's was ready and my dad was like, shit, I don't have the mental strength or I don't have the emotional strength to send my daughter away at this young age to Mumbai. Not even kidding. He got
the person who wanted to get you in the first place.
Yeah, he got a very weird sort of cold feet. Okay, and he got a very weird kind of cold feet, and he felt like कि वहाँ पे मुंबई में there wasn't actually someone to be a guardian sorts. I would have been sort of
guardian नहीं था.
हाँ तो उसका problem था, and so he got cold feet. He was like, I can't send her away right now. And मतलब आप college जाते हो, you start working, you get married, you've got your own life to be at. So he got cold feet and he was like, I've got 2 more years with her in the house. किसको पता था कोरोना हो जाएगा and I'll be back in my life for a whole year. But
you don't know
right,
actually. It's more than a year now. You don't know.
That is also true. Yeah, I mean, I like, and he was actually right. मतलब एक बार मैं college गई after 12. I never was back home like for more than a couple of weeks. Yeah, you can't be.
Life gets busy. Yeah.
Right. He got cold feet and I was very like 10th standard में बहुत बच्चे होते हैं यार. और मतलब someone who has not grown up in Mumbai का life is very fast paced और वहाँ का culture and student culture also बहुत different है. And for someone who's so naive and so gullible कि मेरे को ना आज तक 100 रुपए भी नहीं मिले थे अलग से कि this is your pocket money, you use it how you want. I was never denied anything, but ऐसा भी नहीं था कि मैं बहुत smart थी. मैं बिल्कुल street smart नहीं थी. ठीक है. I've lived in a very enclosed shell sort of like मेरे को campus में ही friends रहते कि I've never been out on the street just like that. I've always been in a very protective environment. I'm sure everybody has, but I was not street smart at all. So my father got cold feet. He cancelled it. Next day he was like, where do you want to go? So मेरे campus के ना जितने friends थे, they were all going to DPS, all of them. So I had this like fancy little idea like even I want to go to DPS. I said that to him. Worst I wish I had just continued in St. Mary's to be honest, because the only thing I didn't like about that school was कि I had to switch from ICSE to CBSE, and that part was actually very difficult. मुझे तो अभी तक नहीं आता कि NCERT की books कैसे पढ़ते हैं. मेरे को नहीं समझ आता. मेरे को I would like
although we started NCERT books because thanks to competitive exams.
हाँ वो पढ़ना पड़ता था. But it was not a very comfortable switch, to be honest.
Yeah.
It wasn't. So and मतलब school का culture भी बहुत different था. You go from a convent school to a not a convent school. काफी different environment and culture, काफी different. But I remember the canteen in DPS. Wow.
And you had a canteen. Yep. We never had
DPS,
one.
Yeah, we never had one. I never had one ever in any of my schools until I went to DPS.
Yeah. And that's such a cool feeling to have ना यार canteen है यार मतलब आप जाके you can buy food in school. Wow.
Buy food. And वो food ना मतलब of course बच्चों के लिए बनाते थे तो जंक तो होता था but यार कितना टेस्टी होता था.
Yeah. So then that was like 2 years in DPS and then finally you went on to do engineering. Yeah. आप engineer बन गई.
Rani Beti.
Yeah. So college was from Pune, and how was college?
College was like bittersweet sort of. I met all sorts of people. I had a blast. Like I still one like the one my closest friends are from college. ठीक है,
Mm-hmm.
it's you from school and बाकी सारे I think college. Like college या तो मेरे college mates हैं और मेरे flatmates थे. So I'm very close to my the hostel mates that I was staying with. So it was like, I mean, I met people who would, go on to be friends for the rest of my life. And I also met people who I do not want to see again in my life.
Yeah.
So there's like a lot of growing up. मतलब मैं पहली बार घर से निकली थी. I didn't know how to manage money. I didn't know how. मेरे को दूध उबालना नहीं आता था यार. पता है तेरे को?
Yeah,
मतलब
I know.
I
You're the
legit
only
used
person
to
I know,
say
who legit burnt Maggie. I don't know any other person who did that.
कि हाँ जी हाँ. मतलब मैं लेके तो आ गई दूध का पैकेट. And my senior, I used to share a room with a senior. She had an induction with her, and I asked her if I can use it. She very, like she very nicely allowed me to. And उसके बाद I went on to ask her कि दूध कैसे उबालते हैं. And she was 2 years senior to me. मैं उसकी junior हूँ. ठीक है. I can't remember that. like, कितना judgmental आंखें. लेकिन मतलब she's like it's okay. बच्ची है. I was like thank you दीदी. So I mean I had fun. I went on trips. We did projects, deadlines, late nights, lots of house parties, lots of trips. पुणे लोनावला गोवा दुनिया भर का फालतू फालतू and you know how fests and joining वो different kind of होते हैं ना कॉलेज में तो you have like this club or that club. So I was part of the dramatics club. कुछ आता नहीं है मुझे but फिर भी
ड्रामा
it
तो
was
बचपन
just
से कर रहे हैं हम.
it was just
क्लब
us
हमने अब
shout
ज्वाइन किया है.
uh, it was just us shouting at the top of our voices and that was also fun. We went to perform in a couple of fests. I think my most memorable has to be I Am Bangalore. मैं फर्स्ट ईयर में गई थी आई एम बैंगलोर. सही था. और तो I think yeah I think that bittersweet the word that I use. Act है बिल्कुल. I mean I had a lot of experiences from which I learned a lot and I came to know different people. I came to know how to handle money and I mean it was a lot of
You learned
growing up.
adulting basically.
हाँ सच में मतलब adulting actually आप learn तब भी करना start करते हो when you start earning. वो that is a whole different kind of adulting. But this was like dude you're out of the shell and you're on your own. You go like of course आपको पैसे भेज देंगे घर वाले but you are on your own. तो अच्छा था
Yeah.
वो भी. I think I would
Nice.
love to go back for some time.
To college?
Of course, I mean, if doesn't everybody
Like
want
to
to?
college life or to the same college? Like pursuing your
No,
education further or like
college life. I would love to
you,
do that.
you plan to pursue like a post graduation of sorts?
Not yet. I have no plans as of yet. But ऐसा लाइफ खत्म नहीं हुई है मेरी तो मैं कर सकती हूँ शायद बाद
तभी
में.
शुरू हुई है तो अभी बहुत स्कोप है.
Yes. Okay. What else?
Nice. Then you moved on and then you are working now in an IT company, having a job. तो अभी तो यही चल रहा है. अभी कोरोना चल रहा है तो आई डोंट थिंक देयर आर मच अपडेट्स विद एनीवन. किसी को नहीं पता क्या चल रहा है जब तक कोरोना चल रहा है. लेट्स सी.
सच में. I mean, I didn't get a very हाँ
नो
बताओ.
नो बोलो बोलो.
So I wasn't like earning a grand amount. Basic amount, okay, average.
Yeah.
So it took me some time to understand how to spend money, and like, I was having a ball of time. Like I was enjoying too much when I started earning. Like oh my god, paisa!
अपना
let
पैसा.
let me go, gaga over it. But finally, like I think last year or last year, I actually started off that oh my god, I think I'm capable of traveling a lot right now. एंड बस
Yeah,
स्टार्ट ही हुआ था,
and
2019
that
के
happened.
दिसंबर में मैंने स्टार्ट ही किया था, और उसके
High five.
बाद या
It has been like a good life for
या
you. I'm hoping it is.
या I've
Hope
had
it
lot of
turns out to be even
things
better.
which I am grateful for. Yeah, yes, of course.
Yeah. So how, like, how do you define life?
How do I define life? मुझे लगता है the fun in life happens when you don't take it very seriously.
Mm-hmm.
मतलब मुझे सच में ऐसा लगता है that if you start taking life too seriously, the way that you're supposed to be living, like there's no way that you're supposed to be living, but it takes a little bit fun out of it. मतलब it's okay, and we're all here and we're doing our part, and you do your part, be a good person, but have fun. As in, I don't know what I'm saying, but
That's okay.
yeah, I mean, just the thing about life is just don't take it too seriously. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, and I would it's ऐसा कुछ ज़्यादा wise personality तो मैं हूँ नहीं. I'm just still learning and
You,
still like on a still learning, still living, still got a lot to do. So but yeah, but I think I would define life as it's made up of some fantastic moments in your life, and us trying to go either relive those or trying to recreate those, and very few things actually like should matter. At least for me, very few things matter in life. Of course, up you need to be successful, to fulfill your dreams and everything, and
what
you
is
need to
success then? Like, what do you mean by success? When you say you need to be successful, what do you mean by being successful?
paisa. I legit mean पैसा. I mean you need ऐसा ऐसा यार सबके सबके दिमाग में successful का meaning can be different. But for me,
No,
who has just started out in the
yeah.
huh? Yeah, for me who has just started out in her career, I feel like my priority right now is earning a lot,
Mm-hmm.
and like doing things that comes with that, the money that I can earn. Yeah, so I think it's turning out to be a very lame answer. But मुझे like okay, my point is अरे so
You
basically
don't
my point
need to seem
is
intelligent. It is okay. You just need to be you. That is the point.
हाँ वही तो बात है. This is me only like saying something and
Yeah.
then doubting myself.
Yeah.
This is like Aditi 101. I feel मतलब कि it's okay, but some things that actually do matter a lot, and they would be go on, and when you're like some 70-year-old very fresh buddhi. So
Yes.
so so I think when I like, look back in my life, I would want to see myself like traveling places and knowing people that I've learned to cherish, because I'm not a very I'm not I've actually become a lot better in this department, that I've started connecting to people and showing people the love and the adoration that I actually feel for them. But I've always felt it, I've never expressed it, but I've come to realize that that is actually a very important part of loving someone, that you tell them that you love them, because कोई फायदा नहीं है उसके बाद. And I mean, we are very vocal about when we hate someone, but are we that
Right.
vocal about if we love someone? So
It has
I've
never been
I've
taught
learned
to us.
to हाँ सच में. I
Our
mean,
parents have
so
never, I don't remember Bachpan, maybe our parents have made sure we know they are angry or disappointed in us. They have never come up and said that, okay, we are like proud of you or we love you. They might have said we are proud of you once or twice on the major achievements कि कर लिया कुछ
I mean, I
10th
feel
में
like
अच्छे grade लगे वगैरह.
yeah,
But I don't think.
expressing love is harder, and
Yeah.
it could be
But
uncomfortable for some
that
people.
should be the easiest thing.
It should be, but it's I
There is
matlab, it is for some
so
people
much thought
also,
process
but
related behind it before you want to tell someone that you love someone. You're like,
सच
वो
में
क्या सोचेगा,
नहीं,
why I am
सच
saying this,
में
I don't need anything from that person, will he think कि मुझे कोई मतलब है उससे, पर ऐसा
हाँ
नहीं है.
yeah
I know.
yeah true. There's a lot of calculation that we do before
हाँ. And just
mustering
the
up the
saddest part is you just can't, without any evil intentions, without any ask from that person, you can't walk up to a person and just say, I genuinely love you. Why? Like, you can say that to a celebrity, you DM them, oh, I love you, but because you know that person will never read it. But if you know that
हाँ
person will read it, like a normal person, you can also love a normal person without having to do anything, without having to have any romantic connections, without having to have any calm from that person. But I don't know, it's not just normal. It should be normal. I would
it
send
should
I
have
love you
been
messages
yeah
to a lot of people then.
it should have been, I agree, but it's
Yeah,
something that I am developing very late in
yeah.
life, but it's
It's
okay, it's
nice.
never late, yeah.
It's not
So
late. It's nice. Yeah.
so yes, I've started doing that. So I think down the line, this would be one of the best things or the best gifts that I'm probably giving myself, that I'll have the satisfaction of knowing and loving the people and knowing that I made them feel loved.
Yeah.
Uh, would be so yeah. So that's how I see life. That don't take it too seriously, but of course take it putty bit seriously, so
Yeah.
that you're not ruining it for yourself and your parents.
Yeah.
And
That's
just
nice.
be in the moment, and let people know you love them, and just I don't know. And सबसे ज़्यादा important part, love yourself. Very hard.
Very, very
Why?
important.
Very hard.
Yeah.
Who knew this would be the hardest part? I mean, मतलब
Yeah.
कितना कभी realize करे कितना difficult होता है for us to take a compliment. Yesterday,
Very
somebody was
difficult.
complimenting my hair, and all I could could talk about is how difficult it is, how weird it is, how rough it has become, and how people can just do this with their hair. But if I do this, I'll अटक गया मेरा हाथ
Yeah.
अटक गया.
Yeah. Hmm.
But the person was genuinely like, no, I really like it. I love this thing about you. And it was very hard for me to take that compliment. And I
It is.
was like up at night for a
It's
moment and thinking about
almost
what's wrong with me.
borderline embarrassing thinking someone said something nice to you.
Yeah, and well, I'm learning to do that as well. I mean, you are your soul companion, right? To be honest, you
The
know.
only option is to love yourself because you have to deal with it for the rest of the
And
life.
I yeah, and that actually also reminds me this one small thing that I used to do. So जब एग्जाम होता था स्कूल में, ठीक है, तो up till 10th standard actually, ये 6 से 10th standard के बीच में I had this personality thing. No, in fact till school like 12th तक I had this thing that what I used to do, जब मैं बहुत ऐसा सब पढ़ लेती थी, सब पढ़ लिया, ठीक है, दिमाग में मेरे वो ना ऐसा होता था कि मैं पेजेस टर्न कर सकती थी अपने दिमाग में, मुझे पता था कि अगले पेज के फर्स्ट लाइन में क्या लिखा
Wow.
है, ऐसा था, ठीक है. आई वॉज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट, बट एंड में ऐसा होता था कि अरे कैसे होगा, व्हाट इफ आई फॉरगेट दिस और व्हाट इफ आई फॉरगेट दैट. एंड देन आई वुड से टू माई सेल्फ कि कोई बात नहीं, मैं हूं ना मेरे साथ, हम कुछ कर लेंगे.
That's such a nice thing.
आई हैव नेवर टोल्ड दिस टू एनीबॉडी बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि व्हाट अ वियर्ड थिंग टू डू, बट
That's
इट इज
such a nice
नॉट.
thing.
It's
Yeah.
not. I used to treat myself like a person. मतलब ऐसा करती थी मैं कि like there are two people, ठीक है, and मैं हूँ अपने
Mm-hmm.
साथ, ऐसा करके मैं
That
अपने
is
आप को बोल
so
देती थी
nice.
कि we'll do something. And also I had this one rule कि always trust your gut, क्योंकि मेरे साथ ना ऐसा 2-3 बार हुआ था कि मुझे लगता है आंसर नहीं पता है एमसीक्यू में, और मुझे लगता था ये आंसर होगा, बट और मैं ना कुछ और सोचती थी टिकड़म लगा के और कुछ और करती हूँ, होता वही था जो पहले मैंने सोचा था. तो देयर वर लाइक आई हैड टू रूल्स इन द एग्जाम, ट्रस्ट योर गट एंड मैं हूं ना अपने साथ. ऐसा था. तो
That is so
आई
nice.
थिंक इट yeah, that is actually nice. I realized it
But you should, one
sometime.
should always trust their
हाँ
gut, because I genuinely think that your gut feeling comes from some sort of information that your subconscious has. You're
हाँ
just
I must have had like put a lot of trust in myself to reassure myself कि मैं हूँ, ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, मतलब अगर तुम
It's
मुझे आके
nice.
बोलोगी कि मैं हूँ तुम्हारे साथ, I will only be okay with that statement if I trust you.
Right.
Clearly, I have a lot of, belief and faith and trust in myself, and it
That
kind
is
of I
very
lost
nice.
some time ago. But
You should
I'm gaining.
definitely find that. Yeah, it is
No,
so good.
right? I'm gaining it back. This actually Corona time has been, I don't know, like it's a again bittersweet.
Mhm.
So
It has kind
yeah,
of also grown everyone in some way or the other.
हाँ सच में, and I'm beyond grateful for that. Beyond grateful. Actually, like
Like we are
I'm
not
in a
grateful for Corona. That shouldn't have happened.
no
But
no 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 no
otherwise,
no. But it has also made me grateful for the things that I like, the small things that I have. Uh,
yeah.
of course, कितना suffering है आसपास, and I've been able to keep my head above the surface very comfortably. So I suppose I'm grateful
Yeah,
for that also.
that is great.
So yeah,
Do you think
I
of death?
huh.
What is death?
I don't know, like just like cease to exist in this world. मेरे को I genuinely believe in कि ये the this rebirth and everything that our Hindu religion actually talks
You
about.
do believe in it or don't?
Yeah,
I missed it.
I do, I
Okay.
do, I do.
Hmm.
तो मुझे तो लगता है मेरा तो बहुत मन है कि मैं अगले जन्म में कुछ पांडा टाइप का इंसान बनूं, जानवर बनूं, मतलब
Oh,
इंसान नहीं
yeah.
बनना मेरे को. Like when you ask कि what is death, so I mean, it's just fine. It's like the end of a chapter. That's all. That's
Hmm.
all. बट मेरा तो सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा फियर है कि कहीं मैं भूत ना बन जाऊं.
Right.
And then I have to just keep watching people and be bored and all and not be a panda.
But then
तो
you can watch pandas also, na?
मेरे को बनना है पांडा, ठीक है, मेरे को बनना है.
Okay, let's hope you become a panda.
So I mean that is fine. I mean and when I'm saying that, I'm talking about my death.
Yeah,
Every other person's death is just pure trauma. There's nothing fine with
no,
that.
for
But
sure.
yeah, I mean, but I think if I'll be okay, I won't be scared. Depend
With
किस
you
किस
dying,
scenario में. हाँ, like
how can you
people
be
are
sad
scared
with
of
you dying?
no, people are scared of death when they
Yeah,
think
people are
about
scared
their
of
death.
death. That was what I was trying to come to. Like, are you scared of death?
No,
Does it scare you?
no, it excites me actually.
Hello.
I am a weird person.
That's okay. No, I romanticize death. So
I mean,
I
I'm a weird, and when I say that, why I'll tell you why it excites me, because मतलब suppose if me and you were roommates, okay, and I've told this to my roommate before, and we were very close, we are still very close, and it was very emotional for us to part. So मैंने उसको before and बोला था that when I'm moving out, that means I'm going to a new place, and I would be so excited to go to that new place that I'll like तुझे लगेगा that maybe I'm least bothered or least hurt about this, but
mm-hmm.
I'm very like this is painful for me, this is emotional for me, but the thing is I get super excited about new things coming my way, or
Mm-hmm.
changes, new life, moving somewhere, something new is happening, meeting a new person, being in a new place. It's just it excites me beyond reason, that like someone might genuinely feel hurt, that is she not like even a tad bit sad about what is coming to an end. So when I said that excites me, I that is because I see it as the end of a chapter and not the end of the book. So it's just me basically thinking in a way that okay, the next chapter has to begin after that, and it's exciting.
That's nice. No, that's a wonderful perspective to have.
Huh? I mean, and all of these
And for
thoughts are
sure, you're the
coming
only
from
person
the
who can equate death to pandas. That's just
no.
amazing.
मतलब
That
अगर
is
वो हो
just
जाए
amazing.
सही में, सही में मैं जाके ऊपर थोड़ा डायलॉग वायलॉग करूँ भगवान जी से कि लेट्स टॉक इट आउट, लाइक वो मुझसे पूछे कि पैकेज क्या लोगी तो मैं उसको बताऊं कि दिस इज द डील दैट आई वांट. अगर ऐसा कुछ होता हो भगवान जी प्लीज, आई विल बी लाइक
Yeah.
मेक मी दिस एंड आई वांट ह्यूमंस एट माय फीट.
Pandas are
तो
the
पांडा,
dumbest, cutest creatures, yeah. Just very cute.
सो क्यूट.
That is nice. So where do you see, do you think of the future? आप ऐसे सोचते हो कि अगले 10 साल में I want to achieve this, be here, do this, or you're just
हाँ,
like living in the moment type person?
यार I have like I've been told also and I do believe also ऐसा कि I have a bit of problem when it comes to seeing the bigger picture. तो
Mm-hmm.
लोग होते हैं who are very good at planning and everything, and you know they but I am not like that actually, unfortunately. So I am living in the moment also, but ऐसा नहीं है that I do not think about what is to come and where I want to be 10 years from now and all that. So I do, but it hasn't materialized so much that you know I can talk about it. But
No,
I
but
do, of
like
course.
in like 10 years from now, like in 2031.
Even huh. So wait, 10 years from now I'll be in my mid 30s.
Yeah.
I mean, सी मुझे ये मटेरियल थिंग्स एंड ऑल में तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार मतलब पैसे तो कमा ही लेंगे, ये सब तो कर ही लेंगे. I mean, of course, house would be there, car would be there, probably couple of kids would be there, and money would be there. All this is going to be there. I mean, ये सब का मुझे डाउट नहीं है, ठीक है. I'm on the track for that. I'm on the track for a very comfortable life, easily,
Yeah.
very comfortable. But so what I think about is not the kind of life I would be having in terms of material things. I don't think about that, but I do think about the kind of person I could be, or the kind of happiness I could have at that point, or the kind of things that I might like, or you know the kind of experiences I might have already had till then, और उसके बाद भी कितने new avenues for
Yeah.
new things to happen and experiences to come my way. So all that, yes, I do think about. I do, and weirdly enough, I even think about that. Okay, if I do have kids by that time, I will be like there would be a big part of my life, obviously, the major part. So how I'm going to be raising them? I know it's a very cliche thing to think about raising your kids, but
Yeah.
कभी कभी लगता है कि नहीं ये सिखाऊंगी मैं अपने बच्चों को.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
That's
think about all
nice.
of that. जब
That is
I don't
nice.
worry about कि घर होगा कि नहीं होगा कि नहीं, वो होगा.
That is
तो
nice. So I think we can close it. We have kind of documented your life so far. Anything you might want to add it, like जिससे कि तुम रिवाइंड करके देखो कि मैं जब मैं 25 साल की थी तो this is what I thought and you would like to add something कि ये तो होना चाहिए मेरी डॉक्यूमेंट्री में अभी तक का ये तो रह गया
yes,
something I
तो
might not have asked you wanted to tell something.
what a wonderful question to ask actually. मुझे ये थॉट ही नहीं आया that I can actually come back from like कभी वापस आके मैं देख सकती हूँ ये कि मैं
Yeah.
हम
This
क्या
is a
बात
video
कर रहे थे
format of
and
the stupid statuses we had put in Facebook.
मतलब I mean, what if like 10 years from now my hands don't look like this and I'm like, oh my god, your hands. Or I remember the pair of chashma that okay, मेरे को नॉस्टैल्जिया में जाने का जरूरत नहीं था, बट ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ माय 36 year
वैसे
old self
मैं nostalgia में
I
चले
have
गए
gone
हैं.
into nostalgia. Like I'm like, oh my god, ये ईयरफोन हुआ करता था मेरे पास ऐसा करके. Okay, what if 10 years from now these wired earphones go completely out of market.
they become those Nokia 3300 wale phones, not available.
And I would be like, कोई मैं अपनी, I would be looking at this video and I would be like, ये क्या ancient है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है that I am a very chilled out, sort of a happy go lucky kind of person. मतलब मैं बहुत stress भी लेती हूँ और ऐसा कभी कभी लगता है कि क्या चल रहा है यार, but सब सही चल रहा होता है most of the time. And I think I'm pretty much on track for good things to happen and happening also. So I hope that if my 10 year from now or 20 year from now or 30 year from now person is watching, uh, I hope that when that is happening, you're sitting beside me. कि हम दोनों ऐसे बगल में देख के बैठ के दे सोचते अभी ये वो वाला वीडियो देखते वो वाला वीडियो देखते एंड वी लाइक वो cringe. And so I hope that is happening. We are having some very fancy tea. No,
Oh my
please, no
god.
tea. No tea, Deepika. Please, no tea.
We'll have wine
Cold
or like
coffee.
some champagne or something.
Fancy, ठीक है. अरे नहीं,
Fancy.
sangria बनाएंगे. Sangria,
We'll
या
be rich then, na? 10 years from now, we are rich.
rich. Okay, we are rich.
Yeah.
हाँ, we are
We are
rich.
rich.
Yeah, we are rich. ठीक है. और
Yeah.
मैं और तुम बैठे बगल में. And we are just like talking about how miserably rich we are. And
Yeah.
and no,
It
I
is so
just
frivolous, yeah. Yeah.
do first
Yeah.
world problems, and then but I hope I'm as happy then as happy I am right now. So
We will be, hopefully. So thank you for giving 2+ hours to me. It was lovely. It is always lovely talking to you. It was lovely that we can record it and then we'll put some form of it about it. It'll be more than an hour for sure on
yeah.
the internets, and let's see who are the 4 people that watches, and if anyone has reached this far, I don't know if I'll put an outro or not, but if anyone has reached this far, um, I'm sure of 3 things. There will, in the description box, there will be socials link to Aditi's profiles, to my profiles. If you want, you can go and check that out. There is a email ID specifically for this podcast, documentingpeople101@gmail.com. You can mail and let me know if you want to come or you want someone else who wants to come. Please let me know. I would love to do that. And any suggestions, any criticisms, गालियाँ वालियाँ भी देनी है तो दे दो, कमेंट्स का नंबर ही बढ़ेंगे. I'm very happy with that. And like, share and subscribe. Please do consider.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Deepika, for having me, jailing me.